Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this simple, bold makeup look. I'm going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me. I have a lot to talk to y'all about because I haven't been here in a while. I loved filming this video though. I missed talking to you guys so much. I missed putting on makeup. I missed this so much. I was going to call this like a wash of teal kind of thing, but it is pretty pigmented, pretty bold. This is basically the same technique as my yellow makeup look where I just use one color. I really hope y'all like this look as much as I do. I really hope y'all enjoy the video and let's just get started. Wow, long time and no talk. I'm just gonna start with my Santé Super Smooth Concealer as usual. I haven't filmed in so long and I'm just so excited. I wasn't gonna do a transition shade, but I think I actually am. I just want to make sure that everything is good. So I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of Silk Cream. I don't really want much color there. I just want to make sure that I'm nice and soft. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I have a lot more freckles now. Oh, look at that. I love freckles so much. That's the only thing I love about the sun during summertime is that they give me freckles. I actually have some color. Can't see it on my neck. My shoulders have some color, but I also did get burnt like real bad, but then it actually turned into a tan, which never happens. Now I'm gonna go in with Jade, and that's the shade that I'm gonna be using the whole time. I'm gonna tap in, tap off, because I really don't want too much, and I'm gonna focus on the outer corner first because that's where I want most color. So if it goes crazy, it's not as bad. This is really pretty much the same technique as my yellow makeup look. Since that yellow was just like an easier color to work with and it's lighter, so like it was a lot easier to just like slap on like first off, like go whoa, like go right in there. But with this shade I have to be super careful with because it could get patchy. I literally haven't filmed in probably like 3 weeks. When I'm filming this, I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. I guess I can give y'all kind of an explanation. I didn't have any videos to film. I went on vacation. I posted while I was in vacation, but then after that I had a day camp. It was so awesome. Like I was a counselor for it. My church, literally that took all I had out of me that week, so I couldn't film at all. I would get up at 6 a.m. and I wouldn't get home till 6 p.m. I was so worn out that I would like just sit on my computer and watch YouTube videos, and then I'd go to bed by 9 because I'd have to be up by 6. I had no time to film last week, and then the week before I was on vacation. I filmed a pack with me for the beach, but honestly I don't know if I'm gonna post it, even edit it, because I literally didn't wear any of the outfits. I was in a bathing suit all the time, and then when I wasn't, I was like in my pajamas. I didn't wear any of them. I did wear like all the makeup only one day. I'm just gonna take that shade on this more like dense pointed brush, and this is the E130 by LA Studio. I'm not gonna put it on with my finger just because this makes it look a lot more like wash of color-esque, you know. I will take some and put it on my lid. I'm not gonna leave this full color. It's a totally different color when it's like diffused. Take my brush and diffuse it. This is pretty simple, but I just didn't want to do my face first just because I didn't know how this would like look, and I obviously would need to clean it up and stuff. On Instagram I did like a story and I was like, so as some of y'all know, I have a YouTube channel, but if you don't, there it is. I just announced it on there. Plus, I've had the link in it for a while, so I mean, if people haven't figured it out, then whatever. But I'm at the point where honestly, like, I don't really care. Everyone that I've told, that I've tried to tell, they're like, oh, you're just talking about your YouTube channel? Like, I'll make it like super serious and be like, I need to tell you something. And I'm like, oh, it's not that big of a deal. I was like, I haven't posted in a while. I need video recommendations. I really want to do like one of my friends' makeup. Sam, she requested that I do like a golden bronzy look for summer. I've been wanting to do like a look like that, but normally when I do simple looks like that, they don't get any response to them. Like no one really wants to see them. I've seen people with just like gold on their lids and I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. I guess I will do it. I'm gonna have to play around with some golds and like bronzes and stuff and see what like matches my skin tone the best. People who are tan, like it looks beautiful on them because it's literally like, yes, but like me, it would look literally like bronze instead of like gold. I don't know. I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. I either use this or the LA Studio Illuminating one. So I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is the only thing I've been using recently. I love this so much, and I don't know why. I just keep reaching for it. I'm just gonna let this set a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. I actually haven't worn makeup in almost a solid 2 weeks. It feels so good to like chat and put makeup on. I have so many videos that I want to do that aren't beauty. Honestly, I don't really care. Like, I'm not gonna limit myself to beauty and makeup. Like, I've already said this a couple times. These are the videos that I want to make. I wanted to make this look. There's a lot of actually like cooking videos. I just really love watching cooking videos. It's so funny, but I'd kind of rather do like a cooking video with someone else because like there's someone else there to make conversation. I actually don't think I'm gonna do bronzer because I have plenty of natural bronziness going on. So now blush. If you don't know what I said, it's blush. Christ. Okay. Essence Silky Touch blush and adorable. I'm gonna load my brush up and tap it off. I really want some blush cheeks with this look. Oh, look at that blush. That also could be the primer showing through. I know I literally haven't been using any different products, but I don't really care. This is the Soph X Highlight palette. I'm gonna do mostly this one and a tap of the paint. Oh wow, that paint totally just overtook it. Like, I literally did 12 taps into the white one. I'm just adding more white. And then I pinch my nose. Once again, I'm still trying out this whole thing right there, and I don't really get it. Now I'm gonna go back to the Blur Lash Liner. I'll literally do the same thing. I'm gonna go in with Jade on there, tap it off. Make sure you kind of halfway close your eyes so that it doesn't flick into your eyeball. The video I'm filming after this, I'm actually so excited about because like I feel like a lot of people like want to see this kind of video, even though like no one's ever requested it, but like I would want to see this, you know. It's about Ulta, but it's not a haul. I'm just gonna continue building it up with this brush because I just really like this blended look. And I'm gonna take the same highlight we used on the face without any pink in it and put it on the brow bone. For the inner corner, I want to go in a touch with Pool Party, which is basically the shimmery version of Jade. And I'm going to put a touch of that on the inner corner. I just want that to be kind of like a base to it so that the color that I put on top has a green sort of reflect to it. Since this is literally the same shade, I'm going to put that a little bit on the inner part of the eye, but also on the inner part of the lower lash line. So now I'm going to highlight my inner corner with once again that same white. So I feel like this white has like a little bit of a gold undertone to it. I'm also going to drag it kind of up. I don't know why. I think J. Kissa did that. I feel like that kind of gave it some little, I don't know, that looks really cool though. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on Essence Volume Styles Lash Extension mascara. I always wipe it off. There's way too much product on this one. Then I'm gonna go to my Master Precise Skinny Liner by Maybelline. Now I'm gonna try something on the lips. This one would be pretty. I'm gonna go in the Super Stay Matte Ink in Olivia. So this is the finished look. It's really simple, even though it looks like really colorful and like really bold. I just love this whole one color eye look. It makes you look like you tried like so hard, even though it's just like I missed talking to y'all so much. I missed putting on makeup. I missed this so much. So please, if y'all want to see more videos from me, if y'all want to see any type of video, please just leave it down below. I do have probably like 8 video ideas. There's only really one more that is like makeup. I really want to do more cooking videos, so leave any requests, like anything that I need to like attempt to cook or attempt to bake. Leave any Pinterest recipes, anything like Pinterest hacks or Pinterest things you want me to test. I know it's only been a few weeks, but if you're still here, thank you so much. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this. If y'all did, I would love it if you subscribe down below. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!